that everything is good when it comes to your headset. Alright, candidate number 18, how do you feel right now? 18? Alright, candidate number 19, Joanna. 20. Alright, candidate number 21. Ayan, nakakabinaw sabi ni 21. Send na tayo. Last round of question and answer portion. Joseph. This is the question. Again, meron ka ng 30 seconds. Can you hear this sound? Ayun. It means meron ka na ng last 5 seconds to conclude the answer. Total of 35 seconds. RC, the question is this. To be fair, hindi ko na mapabasa sa akin. Alright. What does being Filipino mean to you? Again, RC, the question is this. What does being Filipino mean to you?